Nearpod is an assessment tool for grades K through 12 for all content areas. Nearpod allows for students to view learning content at home and in class. With this assessment tool, teachers can focus on personalized learning and one-on-one instruction, which creates a flipped classroom. It allows the teacher to know exactly where the students are in their learning through the various learning activities that Nearpod offers. So I'm going to demonstrate Nearpod and the features. So this is the Nearpod platform, and you'll go ahead and click Login, which brings you to the user face. All right, so once you log in, this is the kind of like your home base where you can search for different lessons, or if you have created your own lessons, this is where you can access those. One cool feature about the learning content is there's two participation modes. You can do live participation where the teacher is leading the students through the lesson, or you can do a student paced, which the students are working on their own, which would allow for small groups or center activities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this module that I have created on colonial life, and you'll get to see some of the features that Nearpod offers. All right, so you can see that Nearpod usually comes up with a title screen, and one thing that I like is that it has the essential questions. If you use the pre-selected learning content that Nearpod offers, or you could design this on your own. So students navigate through the Nearpod, and there are different activities that can be used for the teacher to know exactly where the student is in their learning. So there's polls that the teacher can use, and there's various activities that can be embedded within the Nearpod. There is the share board like this one, which is a communication where the students are typing their thinking, and it's a little bit more collaborative. Then there's where you can embed different articles where students are doing their learning. And again, there's share boards where the students can share their thinking, and that's where the teacher can assess how the students are doing in their learning of the content. This page is where you can add different web pages. You can embed different web pages into the Nearpod slides. So I think that's really cool feature that the teachers can utilize. And then again, there are the quiz features that the teacher can use for data to determine how the students are doing. There's also an open-ended question feature where the students will type in their thinking. And then one of the best ones that my students really enjoy is the gamification of Nearpod, where they get to play a fun game. There's also draw features where they get to use the tools at the bottom to show their learning. But the time to climb is one feature that my students really enjoy. It's that gamification where they're playing a game, and as they play, they get to climb and play this game that gets embedded in Nearpod. You can also search through different Nearpods that have already been created by other educators, and you can search by topic or standard. So let's see, I'm going to search multiplication. And it brings up just a lot of different Nearpods that other educators have created, and you can choose. As you can see, there's that time to climb feature there. The other options for teacher creation is you can actually create your own. So let me show you how you can do that. You click the create button from your home base. And this is where you get to pick and choose the learning content and activities that you want to embed in your own Nearpod. This is a really cool feature for teachers who already have PowerPoints created on their content. And you can upload that into the Nearpod, and then you can add in different interactive web faces. One thing that my students also really enjoy is the virtual field trips. That's a great feature that Nearpod has. And then there's, as you can see, lots of different activities that teachers can use to embed within their Nearpods to gauge their student learning and to determine if the students are mastering the content. So that is Nearpod. I hope you enjoyed.